Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What did you was good? What's popping? I hope everybody's fine. So today, as you can see, I'm holding something really beautiful and I'm scrubbing my lips, and that's my pink lip scrub. Like, it's Hamatan, it's dry season, and we have really ashy lips, dark lips. So I want to go ahead and treat my lips, and I'm using the pink lip scrub I did. So if you like to watch how I made this and how you can make yours, keep watching, keep it locked on this channel. Like, I'm bringing you people good stuff back to back to back to back. Look at me. I'm so crazy. I'm licking everything because everything I use is edible. So just keep watching and enjoy. See how soft my lips are. See how kissable my lips are. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we just have like basic ingredients. I have my sugar. Usually I use brown sugar, but I opted for white sugar this time around. I have my granulated sugar. I'll be using my almond oil. I have my food coloring, my mango scent. I don't know why I keep bringing this other mica color here. It shows up as purple, but I wanted something pink. So just go ahead and take the amount of sugar that you want to use. Like, I just wanted to do a really tiny quantity, like something I can use because I can always make another one. So you just go ahead, you just pack in everything there depending on how soft you want it. Just go ahead and add your oils the way you want your. You can use whatever oil. I opted for sweet almond oil. You can go for, you can use olive oil, you can use shea butter. Yeah, it's your preference. So you just go ahead and mix. You can also go in and add, depending on the quantity, you can add lemon, but I didn't have any lemon at hand, so I didn't use lemon. So I decided to add my sugar again because I was eyeing the container I was supposed to use to store my sugar scrub in it, and it was like it was going to be like the sugar scrub was going to be small. Why am I saying like any hoses? Just go ahead and mix your oil and your sugar. Like I said, you can add in your oil depending on the texture that you want, and then you take your food coloring and you add. Go ahead and add your food coloring depending on the color you want. I really wanted mine to be pink, so I'll just be adding it as I go. Like, just be adding it bit by bit, mix and see the kind of color that you want. Mix. So I'll just go ahead and add my fragrance. That's my mango scented fragrance. Just go ahead and add it, so my lip scrub really have this sweet scent. A little, like 2 drops or 3 drops is enough. So I'll go ahead again and mix and mix and mix and mix. And there we have it. It's looking so beautiful. Like, I love the color. Guys, don't mind my voice. I have a cold. Like, I have catarrh, I have cough. So I'll just go ahead now and package it into my container. Is it packaged? I'll put it into my container, and we have our pink lip scrub. Isn't that beautiful? It's so beautiful, guys. Like, go ahead and try this. You can also do it for business. Like I always say, every time I'm thinking about money, you can also do this as a side hustle for business. I'm just giving you like business tips for free, and that's that. So guys, please, if you've watched up to this extent and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel. That encourages me so that I can be doing more of these beautiful and educative videos. Like, please click on the red subscription button, turn on the bell icon so that I get notified each time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye bye. See how beautiful. Bye.